Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nikki with MontanaCrochetCreations.com. In today's tutorial, we are going to be working on the front post double crochet stitch. I've had a few of you ask me how to complete a front post double crochet, so I thought I'd do a video and a breakdown of exactly how to do that. So what I've done here is I've already started with my foundation row of double crochet stitches. And then I've come over and I've completed the first 3 stitches here. And as you can see, the post here continues all the way down, and that's how you know that you're doing a front post double crochet, because your stitches continue all the way down. There's not a break in the middle. So what we're going to do is we're going to yarn over and we're going to insert our hook in this space right here between this front post double crochet and this regular double crochet. So we're going to insert our hook from the front. We're going to go around the back of this post and out this other stitch. Then we're going to pull our yarn through. Now we're going to complete it like a regular double crochet. So then you can see it's one continuous stitch all the way down. So let's do that again. We're yarning over and going into that stitch between this front post and this double. So we're going to go around and we're coming up and through, making sure that that crochet post is over the top of our hook here. We're going to grab our yarn and pull through. We're going to yarn over and pull through 2 and yarn over and pull through 2 to complete out our double crochet. Now we have another front post double crochet. So let's do that again. We're going in behind the post of that stitch, pulling our yarn through, and then completing out our double crochet. So we're going to repeat that one more time, still going behind the post of that stitch, and then finish out our double crochet. So we've got one more little space here, one more stitch. We're going to go through and behind this post. Grab our yarn and pull it through, and then let's complete our double crochet. Now you can see that we've got this cute little ribbed design here. It creates a lot of texture and nice detail to any project that you're doing, and it just continues all the way down. If you flip it over, you see it's created this ridge here in the back. That's how you know this is the wrong side of front post. This is the right side of your front post double crochet. So anyway, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe as I post weekly videos right here on my channel. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. And I hope that you guys practice this stitch and continue to work with it, and before you know it, you'll be making a lot of really fun projects that have this stitch in it. So anyway, that's it, and I will see you guys in my next one.